Welcome back
to the wilderness, people.
We are at Longridge Fell. This is our first time camping here. I don't know why we haven't camped here before. It's such a nice place.
It really is. Just whilst we're here, I'd like to thank everyone for the support we've been getting, especially on the recent video. We've had about 3,000 views. We check every comment, all the tips and tricks you give us, so carry on commenting, giving us tips and tricks. We'll make sure to keep replying to it.
Yeah, honestly, thank you so much for all the support you've been giving. It's given us a real boost. It makes us keep wanting to do this. So we've got a bit of a trek ahead of us. It is super windy and it is really cold. And Harley's just rolled his ankle. I hope he survives. Right, we'll check back when we're closer to the spot. This is very twisting ankle territory. So much of the floor is just dead. I'd hate to fall. That is awesome. Me and Harley are floor camping, so we need to find a pretty suitable spot. And it's not looking too good. We found a potential location, but we'd like to find somewhere better really. So look how bright it is there. Nice sunshine. Dark. That is cool. Super dense. Well, over there. Not so much here. This is strange. Very nice and bright. Eerily dark. My phone's making it look a lot brighter than it is. We found an alright spot. It is going to have to do. It's not perfect, but I ain't got time to. It's getting dark. And as I said, it will do. Right, we have mostly set up. This was a desperate squeeze, but it just about fits. Very spacious on the inside. Pure improv. I don't even know what's happening here. But it's working. Very nice. Got my boots off already. That's how you know. That's how you know. It's really cold.
It's not that cold. It's not as cold as last camp.
Yeah, it's not as cold as last camp, but my feet are getting a cool breeze. He's got 2 pair of socks on. But we are just going to stay in here for the rest of tonight because it's very warm in here compared to outside.
We're going on a hike tomorrow up Longridge Fell. It's probably about kilometre and a half, a few 100-foot elevation, so look forward to that. So there's a slight issue because we're at Longridge Fell. It's a hike up a hill, so we are on a slope, and Henry and Harley, it's not looking good.
We are sliding.
Are sliding down,
Slip and slide.
all the way to the bottom.
I've got a tree, so it's not too bad.
I think it's
Oh, that's a hot handle now. This pan is so easy to clean now. Holy shit. Should we just do a steak now while it's hot?
Yeah.
Some would say it's too big for the pan.
So that steak was a bit questionable, and it might have been the pan. So we're trying it in mine. Hopefully it goes a bit better.
It's about 11 o'clock now. We're all set up. Gonna go to sleep soon. And me and Harley heard like a woman's laugh. We are next to some roads, but we are pretty much in the wilderness. So, let you know if we hear anything else.
We did make steaks, but they were disgusting.
Stinky.
They were terrible.
Horrible.
Awful. Worst steaks ever.
Honestly.
It's about 11:15, so we're just gonna head off to bed. We've had to windproof all of the little cracks at the bottom of the tent.
Reinforced it.
Yeah, we've reinforced it. It's quite warm in here now. It's can't feel any breeze, so we should be okay. We've got our bivvy bags anyway. Austin's in the hammock. Harley's on the floor as well. So yeah, hopefully we get a good night's sleep. See you in the morning.
Good morning. It's about 7:30. I woke up at about 7. I think these two are just waking up now. You alright, boys? How did you sleep?
Not good. I'm so tired.
Yeah, they slept on the floor last night. As we said, it's very, very, very slanted. So they didn't get the best of kit. Not much effort went into making this fire. Just as you saw it, you might have seen in the last video. Cotton balls covered in Vaseline. Melt the Vaseline, dip the cotton balls in it. Perfect. Literally took one cotton ball to light that fire. Once it's lit forever. Will not go out. Right, I just want to take a quick second to say if you're enjoying the video, go down and subscribe. It'll be either be there or there, in that corner, because every subscriber helps. We had a huge amount of support in the last video. I think we got over like 100 subscribers off that one video, which is incredible. Thank you all for the support. Leave a comment.
So it's about 9 o'clock. We've just started to make some lunch. Got pita breads, some really nice ham, and some cheese. Austin's already eaten his. We are all packed up, but this is where we were. Quite visible. This isn't really a main path anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But overall, I would say good camp. It's nice to be in pine forests. Just makes everything a lot easier. Ground's more comfortable. Trees are a lot straighter. And it's just nice. Austin's finding loads of good spots now, but it's a little bit too late.
Right, that's about it for the camp now. It's absolutely freezing. There's some icy winds coming. And we're going to be doing this hike soon, so it's going to get even worse. So I just took my hoodie, put it around my neck as like a little makeshift snood. Keep the wind out, keep the warmth in. Really windy. But it is beautiful out here. Just look at that. basically, what's happening now is I'm having a chill out. Cause I've been packed for about 40 minutes and they're still packing away. I'm gonna do this hike, stash our bags, and go home because my dad's picking us up at like 3 o'clock. Look, finally, I've been posted up on a bloody deck chair for about half an hour. Talk about taking the mick.
Thanks for all the help washing out.
Yeah, it's your bloody bacon pancakes.
Dad, you
Absolute, mate.
Quick bit of energy, and we're back on the trail. Oh, a car all the way out of here. Wow. Cool place to be though. Nice place for a walk.
Right, so this is where we're heading. Pretty big walk up to the woods, but it's not far after that.
Set off on the hike. What a view. Just if it wasn't for that road, then it'd be a much nicer view. I was just thinking about how flat it is.
The further and further we're getting up this hill, the windier and windier it's getting. So we're really having to hunker down and shelter ourselves from the wind.
With the bag of snacks. Got my phone in and stuff. Got a little first aid kit. Little power bank. And some other snacks. And my waterproofs. Very nice view. And a very straight path.
Right, so if we follow this wall on the left up the hill, we were going to originally camp in these woods and cut in on the right there. But if we follow this up, we make it to the top, to the beacon. I'd say probably about 10-15 minutes time.
We've just spotted someone's grave. Very mysterious. Getting a bit foggy. Yeah. Maybe this place is haunted after all.
Getting a bit worse now. Not the easiest thing to traverse. Keeps it interesting though.
I don't really know what's happened here. Looks like they've dug up a pipeline or something. Harley fell over apparently. Fun.
It is getting ridiculously muddy now. It's slowing us down a lot.
I have to be very careful here. Don't want to slip. Barbed wire there, which isn't great. Very muddy. But it looks so clean. There's a lot of people here. Hopefully none of them went the other way past our bags.
Look at that.
That's incredible. Harley has a very muddy boot. Oh dear.
It's so calm up here. You'd think it. We thought it'd be like very windy at the top. It's a bit windy, but it's very calm. They've absolutely destroyed this trail.
Such a weird thing to see.
They've just gone through it with
been going
machines
all the way.
or don't know what it is, but there's some sort of excavator tracks here. If you look, it's all on the other side as well.
We've decided it's a well-deserved break time. Very nice. Very cool place. Crazy just how open this place is. Just far stretch. The end is near.
Look at that, just a wall of fallen trees.
That's a wrap, guys.
We made it to the top.
We're at the beacon.
About a mile in the sky.
Found a very good camp. Expect to see something next week.
The latest camp.
Yes. So, leave a like if you want. Subscribe if you can.
enjoyed the video.
Feel free to leave a comment. Without further ado, see you in the next one.